Okay, about just the step alignment. First thing you do when you come to this page is you print the just press this print. It will print something like those lines. Okay. You need to decide the best one that overlap. Okay, one situation is you can find the one overlap is good. If it's 0, then you're done. It's already line. If it's some other number, then you remember the number. If it's between the number, you can calculate percentage. For example, between 7 and 8, you can use 7.5. Remember, it's minus, plus. So if just slightly over 7, you can say minus 7.2. Anyway, you're gonna get a number. Another situation is way out. By the trending, you think probably those places gonna lap. Ignore this. If you continuously for this one, then you can just guessing a number. For example, you think it's minus 20, probably gonna be good. Then you get minus 20. Whichever you come with a number from this printing. Okay. Then that number you put here. For example, if you think minus 20 is good, you press minus 20. Or even minus 25, whichever. Then you do calculate. It will change this number. Then you press ta-ta. Then you save. Then once that, you repeat the process. You do not need to restart because I do not want to save the value. So I restart to bring the value back. So once you change the figure, where is it? Here. Once you change the figure, you redo the print adjust. It will come with a different thing printed. You make sure the 0 is overlap. That's your goal. 0 is overlap.